Yes, slowly open your eyes, children. Jai Gurudev. Yes, Jai Gurudev, children. Children, today topic name is flower vase. Yes, I'm going to make one flower vase with waste bottle and materials we need. One waste bottle, any plastic bottle, any glass bottle. If you have waste, you can use for this craft. And two color paper I'm going to use. If you have more color paper, you can use for this craft. Scissor, gum, and any decoration item if you have available at home, you can use like a ribbon, lace, any sticker, anything you have, you can use for this craft and yes, make one flower vase. Shall I start, children? Yes, again I'm going to repeat one more time. Today topic name is flower vase. Yes, I'm going to make one flower vase with waste bottle and any waste bottle you can take. You can take any waste bottle. If you have glass bottle, you can use. If you have plastic bottle, you can use. And two color paper. Children, if you don't have color paper, you can use rough paper also and make colorful flower vase. And any decoration item you can use. If you have lace, you can use. If you have ribbon, you can use. And if you have any sticker, you can use. Shall I start? I hope everyone get ready with your materials. Yes. Any doubts, children? Write on your chat box. I will reply. Janani, can you mute yourself? If you have any doubt, write on your chat box, children. Children, write on your chat box. If you have any doubt. Yes, I'm going to make one flower vase. Children, I hope everyone get ready with your materials. Shall I start? Yes, take any waste bottle, two color paper I'm going to use. Okay. I will wait. If you don't have gum, children, in your kitchen and some boiled rice is there, you can take and mash and you can use for gum. If you don't have gum, go in kitchen and boiled rice you can take little bit and mash, and after that you can use for gum. Shall I start? I hope everyone get ready with your materials. Any waste bottle you can use. Two color paper I'm going to use, children. If you don't have color paper, you can use any paper. Any color paper, any waste paper, any decoration item you can use for this craft. Shall I start? If you have any ribbon, you can use. If you have any golden lace, you can use for this craft. If you have a stone work, you can use on your ideas. Yes, I'm going to start. Look at your screen and make this flower vase. Everyone, look at your screen. Children, look at your screen. This materials we need. I have two color papers, so I'm going to use. If you have more color paper, you can use one plastic bottle, gum, and scissor. This is one plastic bottle I have, so I'm going to use. If you have other size, you can use two color paper, scissor, gum, and plastic bottle. This is a very important things. Look at your screen. Yes, I pause this video for all. I hope everyone get ready. Then I will start this flower vase. Yes, again I pause this video for all children. Look at your screen and yes, get ready with your materials. After that, I'm going to show how to make this flower vase. Do very slowly, children, because I want it in clean your work. Yes, I pause this video. I hope everyone get ready. Shall I start class? Yes, I'm going to start. Look at your screen. Yes, children, I have this plastic bottle, so I'm going to use, look at your screen, two color paper is there. So I'm going to cut a small pieces for this color paper. First, take one measurement. After that, you can cut a small pieces. I will show how to cut these small pieces. Just like this. Look at your screen. Yes, I'm going to cut it small pieces. Yes, cut it small pieces. Yes, cut like this. Two paper you have to finish like this. Cut a small pieces. Children, cut a small pieces. Just like this, cut a small pieces and make colorful flower vase. I hope everyone going to finish. Children, do very slowly. I will do very slowly. Look at your screen. Cut a small pieces. If you have more colorful paper, waste paper, you can use for this craft. I hope everyone understand. If you have more color paper, you can use for this craft and cut like this paper. We need small pieces. Two color paper is there, so I'm going to cut it small pieces. After that, I will show how to paste on this bottle. Just like this, cut it small pieces. I hope everyone going to finish this cutting. Can I pause this video? Yes, I pause this video for all. Look at your screen. Yes, I pause this video, children. After that, I will show how to paste on bottle. First, you have to finish your cutting. More cutting is there. You can see on a screen. This is a very clear on your screen. I hope everyone understand and like. Look at your screen and finish your cutting. This is a pause video for all. I hope everyone understand. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is very low. Yes, ma'am. Girja, ma'am.
Repeat one time, ma'am.
Okay, I
Shraddha
will
ma'am,
repeat. Yes, ma'am.
some children are not having come. What can I do? They are asking questions in chat box, ma'am.
Wait, I will check.
Amma, Brinda, why are you sharing, ma?
Ma'am, nothing is there.
My 2F Nirnalaya, mute your video.
Yes, Niralia, please mute your audio and video. Yes, children, I'm going to show one more time. This is a very easy craft for all. Take two color paper and cut a small pieces. This is the first process. This is a very easy process, okay? Take two color paper and cut a small pieces. Yes, I'm going to start again this video. Look at your screen and finish your cutting. After that, I will show how to make this flower vase. Yes, I'm going to start again. Look at your screen, children. This is a very easy craft for all. Yes, I'm going to start again. Look at your screen. I have this plastic bottle, so I'm going to use. Take two color paper and cut small pieces. Everything is clear on your screen, children. Yes, cut like this. Yes, cut like this. Small pieces you can cut. I have this yellow color paper also, so I'm going to cut small pieces. You can take more paper and cut like this. Cut small pieces. Yes, cut like this. I have this much paper. So my cutting is finished. Children, look at your screen. I pause this video for all because I'm waiting for all. After that, I'm going to paste on this bottle this paper. First, I will arrange. After that, I will paste. Take gum, take Fevicol and put on bottle. And one by one, you have to paste this cutting. Yes, I pause this video. Look at your screen. Shall I start? Yes, I'm going to paste one by one this cutting on my bottle, and yes, I'm going to make one colorful flower vase. That is a very easy craft for all. I hope everyone understands. Just like this, look at your screen. After that, I'm going to put gum and paste one by one this paper like this on your bottle. Just take Fevicol and put on this gum on bottle, and one by one you have to arrange this cutting and paste like this and cover this bottle with paper. Yes, children, cover this bottle with paper like this. I will show how to paste. Yes, like this. Look at your screen. One by one, I will paste like this. I hope everyone understand. Do very slowly. Can I pause this video for all? If you want, can I pause this video? Just look at your screen like this. You have to paste on your bottle. Take a small paper and paste like this. Take gum, children, Fevicol. You can take one Fevicol and put like this on bottle, and one by one arrange this paper and paste and cover this bottle with paper. I hope everyone understand. This is a very easy craft for all. Do very slowly. Yes, I'm going to start. Look at here screen. I hope everyone going to finish. Shall I start, children? Yes, I'm going to start. Everyone look at your screen and make. Just like this, one by one, you have to arrange this paper and make colorful flower vase. This is a very easy craft for all. I hope everyone understands, children. Look at your screen and make this. Just do very slowly. One by one, you have to arrange like this. I hope it's very clear on your screen. Do very slowly, children, because I want you to explain the work. and cover this bottle with paper. After that, you can take any lace. If you have lace, if you have ribbon, you can, if you have golden sticker, you can use children. If you have any golden sticker, you can use. First, you have to finish like this. I hope everyone going to finish. And one by one, you have to arrange and just make colorful flower vase. This is your flower vase, children. First, you have to cover this bottle with paper. That is a very easy craft for all. You can use any waste bottle for this craft and keep inside some flower and make colorful flower vase. And if you have golden ribbon, if you have any lace, any decoration item, you can paste it there front side and just make colorful flower vase. Just like this, children, look at your screen and make. I hope everyone going to finish. Look at your screen. Yes. One by one, you have to arrange this paper. Yes, my bottle is going to finish. Children, look at your screen. After that, I'm going to paste one sticker. I have golden stickers I'm going to use. If you have any ribbon, you can use. If you have any lace, you can use. That is a very easy craft for all. I hope everyone like and enjoy. Yes, look at here. Yes, my bottle is going to finish. Look at your screen. Yes, after that, I'm going to use one sticker, children, and yes, my flower vase is going to finish. I hope everyone going to finish. This is a very easy craft for all. And those are finished, please wait for other. After that, you can paste any decoration item. If you have lace, ribbon, you can use. I finished. Okay, okay. Yes, children, look at your screen. Yes, my bottle is finished. Children, look at your screen. Yes, less work. Yeah, yes, if you want, you can some paste some lace. If you have golden color lace, if you have any sticker, you can use. Yes, I'm going to use a sticker because that is my waste item. So I'm going to use one sticker and make one colorful class. I will show final look. Children, look at your screen. Yes, I'm going to show my final look. Please look at your screen and enjoy. This is my final look. Look at your screen. This is looking so good, colorful flower vase. You can keep inside some flowers and yes, you can keep your time doing this flower vase. I have this sticker, so I'm going to use children. You can use anything. If you have less, you can paste. Yes, like this. Look at your screen.
Ma'am, I have no chicken pepper, ma'am.
Okay, if you don't have, you can use the other things. Children, look at your screen. My flower vase is ready. I'm waiting for all. I hope everyone going to finish. Do very slowly because I want it and clean your work. Yes, again I pause this video for all. Everyone, please look at your screen and finish that. Yes, I pause this video. Those are finished. Children, wait for other. I will check one by one. Yes, again I pause this video. If you want time, take time and finish your flower vase. After that, one by one, show me your drawing. Sorry, show me your craft, children. I hope everyone going to finish. One by one, show me your craft. Anyone is finished? Show me your craft. Yes, Teja, show. Yes, Sanvika. Sanvika, show. Yes, nice, Sanvika. Nandana, very nice, Nandana. Very good, Nandana.